This is the PowerEgg X Wizard, and as you'd expect, it looks like a big white egg. It's packed with features like artificial intelligence, an IPX6 rating, which makes it waterproof, and it claims to be able to fly in even the worst of Welsh weathers. Today I've come to West Wales to make the most of the blustery, rainy conditions to test these claims to the max. But wouldn't you know it, we got an absolute beaut of a day.
The producer says he set up a new test in the car park to see the drone working in tougher conditions. Should we go?
Yeah, if it makes him happy, let's...
Launch the drone. Georgie, unleash the wind. Okay, guys, unleash hell. It's handling it really well.
It's going anywhere.
Okay, stop.
Wow.
Yeah.
That was absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
That was hit with some serious weather, and it survived with flying colours.
Passed the test, haven't we?
Indeed.